The employees of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, under the banner of Coordination Committee of Registered MECL Associations and Unions, on December 16 observed hunger strike in protest against the failure of the MECL authorities and the state government to disburse their 2 months' salary. The hunger strike will continue on December 17 as well. This is the second phase of the agitation launched by the union. On December 15, the employees observed a pen-down strike and they have threatened to further their agitation if the government fails to meet their demands.
So this is the first phase and first day, yesterday, and today is the second day where we are observing a hunger strike by the leaders of all the registered unions and associations of MECL.
We are gathered here today to mark a day of resentment towards the adamant attitude, not just adamant but very unproductive attitude of the management and the government at the same time. And we at the same time also request the government not to shy away from this. It has very high responsibility towards the welfare of this organization. So that's why we would like to request the government to intervene in this matter. And more so, we would like to say that the revenue connection is not so low that the salary cannot be paid. But what has been done is this, that the management has chosen to compromise the interests of the employees, and instead of making paying of salary as a priority, the management has chosen to make payments toward loans, etc. This is which is very painful and which hurts every one of us. So we request the management to be sensible in this approach and professional at the same time. Salary first, then only make payment for unnecessary loans.
The employees of MECL have not received their salary for the months of October and November this year. The agitating employees have demanded top priority to be accorded to payment of salary.
We would very much prefer a very strong assurance, a written commitment from management that salaries will be disbursed in time in the following months.
It may be mentioned that Meghalaya Power Minister James P.K. Sangma had recently stated that the financial crisis in the state-owned electricity company requires a short-term and long-term solution, even as he mentioned that the government is looking at alternatives to bail MECL out of this financial mess. TNT Bureau.